Hey guys, I am Mackenzie here at the Goldsboro Library, and I just wanted to talk to you parents today about gardening with your children. So it's springtime. It is a great time to get outside and start doing some gardening. Gardening is a super fun way for a lot of parents to relax and enjoy nature. It's a great hobby for a lot of parents, but you can also use gardening as a great hobby to help your kids learn some effective tools. So gardening can teach really great skills like responsibility. So allowing your kids to work in a garden kind of teaches them responsibility and accountability. So they can see when they take care of things, those things can grow and become beautiful and very useful. It also teaches cooperation. So cooperation is also a very helpful skill that gardening can teach. So if you are outside working with your child in your garden, that reinforces like concepts of shared play and using tools together and working together to create something that is very beautiful. This can also teach self-confidence. So if you encourage your child to get outside and work really hard in their garden, then that can show that their hard work does pay off. So spending a lot of time and a lot of effort and putting a lot of themselves into an activity that's really fun can reinforce that concept that they are capable of doing things on their own and creating things. So a few tips for starting gardening with your child. Definitely try to give your child their own separate area that they are responsible for. So maybe a few small plastic containers or a smaller flower pot to give them a small concentrated area, but that is their responsibility to take care of and look after. When it comes to gardening tools, it's probably best to stick to tools that are child friendly. So try to look for tools that are marketed for children rather than big people tools for kids, because those might be a little bit difficult for kids to handle, and giving them their own tools that they can use on their own once again reinforces that responsibility and independence, and it also can help tune fine motor skills, helps them get a handle on working with their hands on their own without the direct assistance of an adult. I would also encourage you to try to grow some flowers that attract really cool friends. So some flowers attract different butterflies or attract bees or attract birds. So you can always do some research to grow those types of flowers and attract different types of wildlife that you and your child can go outside and enjoy together. You can also grow vegetables like tomatoes, squash, green, red peppers, things that your child can use directly after so that they can see how productive gardening can actually be. It's a fun activity, but it's also very productive and very useful. So that is it for today, you guys. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you on Wednesday for story time. Bye.